Imagine this, you just picked up the keys to one of the most luxurious SUVs in its class. And the first moment you open the door, boom, this Tartufo leather hits you right away. The color, the texture, the way the whole cabin feels. This is the moment where you start thinking, okay, maybe spending the money actually makes sense. Then you check the second row. No captain's chairs here, but still, full luxury, full comfort, and plenty of space. And behind that, you still have a third row. Then you step outside. You look at the color, the wheels, the whole M Sport presence. And you do what every new owner does. You walk away. Then turn around one more time. Because now you just want to know, did you make the right choice? And one more thing, you got this car from United BMW in Alpharetta, and there's a reason why. When it comes to BMW in this area, they're simply one of the best. The first thing you want to do is look at the seat, because this is where you're going to spend most of your time. You open the door, and right away the car welcomes you with that soft luxury sound. And then you notice another small detail that makes ownership feel easier. The doors are soft close, so you don't have to slam anything. You just bring the door close, and the X7 finishes it for you. Inside, everything feels premium. Every surface you touch feels expensive. The leather, the stitching, the trim, the buttons, the door panel, nothing feels cheap. And honestly, for a second, you don't even know where to start. But of course, the first thing you want to do is start the car, because this is the moment that's going to welcome you every single day. The steering wheel moves into position, the seat adjusts around you, and of course, you have seat memory, so the car already knows how you like it. Then you look back at the door panel, and this is where the details start making the price feel more reasonable. Then you start looking around the driver's area, and this is where the X7 really begins to justify its price. Heated armrests, everything around you feels expensive. Leather, the soft touch materials, even the areas that would normally feel like hard plastic in other SUVs, still feels soft and premium here. You have the Harman Kardon sound system, beautiful trim, ambient lighting running through the cabin, and honestly, everything feels like it was designed to make every drive feel special. Then you start exploring the seat controls. And this is where you realize, these aren't just seats. You have massage functions with multiple programs, all controlled directly through the central display. So you can choose exactly how you want to relax on your drive home. Then you start noticing how much storage space BMW managed to fit into the front of the cabin. But one of the coolest features is actually hiding right here on the driver's door. With the press of a button, you can adjust the second row without independent out of the vehicle. The seat moves forward. It folds for easier access. And suddenly, getting into the third row becomes incredibly simple. And this is one of those features you probably never thought you needed until you own it. And of course, the next thing you want to understand is the seat, because this is where you're going to spend most of your time. And these seats feel like they have the maximum level of adjustment. They're heated, they're ventilated, and they also have massage. But it's not just simple forward, backward, and recline. Here, you can adjust the upper part of the seat back, so your shoulders and upper body sit more naturally. You can extend the thigh support, and that's a big deal if you're taller and you want better leg support. You can adjust the lumbar support, and you can even tighten the side bolsters, so the seat holds your body better. This is where you realize BMW didn't just make the seats soft, they made it personal. You can build the seating position around your body. And after a few minutes, you understand why this feels like one of the most comfortable driving positions in the class. And what's really impressive is that the passenger seat gets the same treatment. So whoever is sitting next to you is not giving up comfort. The passenger also gets heating, ventilation, massage functions, and the same incredible range of adjustments. You can adjust the thigh extension, the side bolsters, the lumbar support, and even the upper section of the seat back to find the perfect seating position. And this is one of those details that makes a huge difference when you actually own the vehicle. Because whether it's a daily commute or a long road trip, both front passengers get to experience the same level of luxury and comfort. And honestly, after sitting in these seats for just a few minutes, you start believing this might be one of the most comfortable front seating experiences in the entire class. Then you step outside, and honestly, this might be one of the best colors BMW makes. This is Dravit Grey Metallic, and what makes it special is that it never looks the same twice. In the shade, it looks deep, sophisticated, almost understated. But once the sunlight hits it, you start seeing those subtle gold metallic flakes come alive. Then your eyes immediately go to the wheels. These 22-inch M wheels fit the X7 perfectly, and together with the M Sport package, they completely change the personality of the vehicle. You move to the front, and this is where the X7 really starts to look like a flagship BMW. The BMW LED lighting signature is unmistakable, especially at night. And the aggressive M Sport front bumper, the lower lip, the whole front presence. It makes this luxury SUV feel much more athletic than its size would suggest. And that's probably the most surprising thing about this vehicle. It looks huge, but once you start driving it, you realize it doesn't feel as massive as some of its competitors. BMW somehow managed to make a full-size luxury SUV feel easier to maneuver, more confident, and much more controlled from behind the wheel. Then you walk around to the back. The taillights look absolutely stunning, especially at night. And one thing you'll appreciate, these are real exhaust outlets, no fake exhaust tips. Just another detail that makes the X7 feel honest and premium. And if you look underneath, you'll notice the factory tow hitch, because this luxury SUV is not just about comfort. When properly equipped, the BMW X7 can tow up to 7,500 pounds, which means you can comfortably bring a boat, a trailer, or almost anything you need for a weekend getaway. Then you jump back into the passenger seat again. And by the way, even the steering wheel has power adjustment. It moves electrically. Then you look around the cabin, and just look at how everything around you is covered in premium materials. The leather, the trim, the soft surfaces, the whole cabin feels very well made. Then in the center area, you notice the suspension controls. And yes, this X7 can actually raise and lower itself. It has 2-axle air suspension with adaptive dampers, so the car can sit lower for easier entry or for a sportier feel. And it can raise itself when you need more clearance. Then you see these elegant crystal elements in the center console, the gear selector, the iDrive controller, the start button. Everything has this glass-like crafted clarity finish. And this is not something you need, but once you own the car, this is exactly the kind of detail that makes the interior feel special. Then, of course, you have the Sport button, and when you press it, the whole personality changes. You can see it even on the digital display, the steering, the transmission, the suspension, the throttle response. Everything starts to feel sharper, and the whole center console keeps that same luxury feeling. Even the covers open slowly and smoothly. Then you find heated and cooled cup holders. You have a wireless charging pad for your smartphone. And yes, the center storage is not huge for a vehicle this size. But honestly, in this moment, you're not really focused on that, because you're sitting in a luxury car, and that's the part you feel first. Then of course, there's the steering wheel itself. This is the M Sport steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, with the signature M stitching. You have paddle shifters behind the wheel if you want a more engaging driving experience. And honestly, the steering wheel just feels fantastic in your hands. And of course, every driver assistance feature you could want is here. This X7 comes with BMW's Driving Assistance Professional package. That means it can help with steering, help keep you in your lane, use adaptive cruise control, and even allow hands-free driving in certain conditions. And even if you never use all of it, it's nice knowing the technology is there. Then you look up at the head-up display. It's large, colorful, and fully customizable. So you can see your speed, navigation, and driving information without taking your eyes off the road. Then right in front of you, the digital gauge cluster and the curved multimedia display immediately grab your attention. Everything you need is right there. And honestly, one of the coolest details is the dashboard itself. You have the illuminated X7 badge integrated into the trim, along with ambient lighting stretching across the entire dashboard. And once again, the car reminds you that you're sitting in something truly premium. As for the infotainment system, BMW's iDrive is incredibly fast and responsive. Yes, the climate controls are integrated into the screen, but after a few minutes, it becomes second nature. You can even project the navigation map directly into the digital gauge cluster. And that's one of those features many owners end up using every single day. The system itself has almost endless customization options. And yes, if you really want to, you even have access to apps like YouTube while you're parked. And of course, sooner or later, you open the Sky Lounge panoramic roof. And this is one of those features you probably never thought you needed. During the day, it fills the cabin with light and makes this already huge interior feel even more open. But at night, the panoramic roof lights up with thousands of subtle LED patterns. And of course, now you want to feel the second and third row, because this is where your kids, your family, or your passengers are going to spend a lot of time. And right away, you realize everything here is electric. No cheap manual levers. The door panels are wrapped in leather and soft materials. Then you sit behind yourself and you realize even if you're around 6 feet tall, you still have plenty of space. The back of the front seat is finished nicely too. You get a storage pocket, USB-C charging, and these mounting points for BMW's travel and comfort accessories. Then you look back at the door. It opens wide. It feels solid. And again, everything is finished with leather, soft touch materials, and even the lower plastics feel better than expected. And this is where the little luxury details start. From back here, you can control the panoramic roof shade above you. You can also control the rear side sunshades on both sides, and that feels very premium. Of course, you also have your own climate zone, heated rear seats, USB-C ports, and air vents. No, this one does not have captain's chairs. But even in this configuration, the second row still feels very comfortable. And now, of course, you want to check the third row, because having a third row is one thing. Actually sitting there is completely different. And what's really cool, BMW made the whole process automatic. You press one button, the front seat moves forward, the second row slides out of the way, and after a few seconds, you have easy access to the third row. By the way, the second row has a 40-20-40 split, and once you get back here, you realize BMW didn't forget about the people in the third row either. You still get cup holders, USB-C charging ports, and power-operated seats. Now, let's be honest. If the second row is all the way back, these seats are probably best for kids. But if you slide the second row forward just a little, an adult can actually sit here comfortably for a trip. And this is where the third row becomes really impressive. Up here, you have a dedicated climate control system for the third row, heated third row seats, USB-C charging, and even a separate glass moonroof above you. And honestly, that changes the whole experience. Yes, the third row in the BMW X7 may not be the biggest in the class, but it might be one of the most comfortable, because even back here, you still feel like you're sitting in a luxury vehicle. And by the way, if you don't want to wait for the full power operation, BMW also gives you a manual release. So if you need quick access to the third row, you can simply move the seat yourself and get in much faster. And honestly, that's one of those practical details you end up appreciating every day. And now, you move to the cargo area. And of course, BMW kept its signature two-piece tailgate design. At first, it may seem unnecessary, but once you own the vehicle, you start using it all the time. And because the X7 has air suspension, you can actually lower the rear of the vehicle, so loading heavy items becomes much easier. You also have an adjustable cargo cover. It helps keep everything in the back hidden and organized. And if you need more space, you can power fold both the third and second rows and create a nearly flat load floor, which means yes, you can take this vehicle camping, go on long road trips, or even spend the night in it if you want to. And once again, BMW didn't forget about the details. The cargo area is finished with premium materials. You have storage compartments hidden underneath, additional organizers, and additional bloggers and historical than what you normally expect from a family SUV. And honestly, that's probably the best way to describe the X7. It doesn't just give you space, it gives you luxury, even in the places where most manufacturers stop trying. And finally, you want to know what this thing actually feels like on the road, because all the leather, crystal controls, and luxury features don't matter if the driving experience isn't special. And honestly, this is where the BMW X7 starts to justify its price even more. Under the hood, you have BMW's legendary 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine. With a 48-volt mild hybrid system, it produces 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. And the crazy part, this engine never feels like it's working hard. The power delivery feels effortless. You touch the accelerator and the X7 just moves. No drama, no hesitation, just clean acceleration. And for a 3-row luxury SUV, 0 to 60 in around 5.5 seconds is honestly impressive. But the real surprise isn't the engine, it's the way this vehicle drives. Because yes, it looks huge, but once you're behind the wheel, it doesn't feel huge at all. The steering feels lighter than you expect, visibility is excellent, and somehow BMW managed to make a full-size luxury SUV feel much smaller than it actually is. And a huge part of that comes from the suspension. Every X7 comes with 2-axle air suspension and adaptive dampers. So when you're driving normally, the vehicle feels soft, quiet, and incredibly comfortable. But when the road starts to curve, the body stays surprisingly composed. And this is probably one of the biggest differences between the X7 and some of its competitors. Some luxury SUVs feel like you're driving a very comfortable truck, but the X7 still feels like a BMW. And that's exactly what makes it special. And maybe the best part about this engine is that BMW didn't choose the V8 here, because this B58 inline-six has become one of BMW's most respected engines. It's refined, powerful, quiet, and for most owners, it's simply the smarter choice. Then you remember something else. This luxury SUV can tow up to 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. So yes, you can enjoy the massage seats, the Sky Lounge roof, and all the luxury features. But at the same time, you can hook up a boat, a trailer, or head out for a camping trip without thinking twice. And honestly, after spending time with the X7, you start to understand why so many people call it one of the best luxury family SUVs on the market. Because it doesn't force you to choose. It gives you luxury, it gives you performance, it gives you comfort, and somehow, it makes all of that feel completely natural.